Fibonacci retracement levels. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Fibonacci retracement level to get a precise entry. Normally, I use it in combination with my analysis and other things I look at in the market to get a precise entry. Not always, but in some cases, you can pull the Fibonacci tool out, and it can make a great tool for having a good entry in the market. And so I'll show you how to use it in this video.
So this is how to use the Fibonacci tool. This is the Fibonacci tool over here. You pick it, and over here, as you can see, we had a shift, significant shift in market structure. So you should draw from the top to the bottom and extend it right. So over here you see that it reversed just around the 50% retracement, and then we had a nice sell-off. And so the 61.8 retracement are very important retracement levels that I look at in making my entry. So like I said earlier, I use it in combination with my technical analysis. And so let's say over here we had a shift in market structure as well. The market dropped over here, slowed down, gave us a bit of stories, and then continued going down. And so I would take this region as a very key structural position to look at. And so if I'm using here as a key level, as a structural point of reference, and want to see price trade back into this area, and then I short it. So I have that in mind. Let's mark it up and see. Let's mark it up. Rectangle. Okay, so this is it in this way. Okay, so the idea is that when price falls off here, trade back into this region, I want to short it, having this place as my point of reference for take profit. And so what I will do is use the Fibonacci tool along with this for confirmation. So I'll pick the Fibonacci, and then I'll draw from the top to the bottom over here, then I extend it right for clarity. And so okay, this is it. And so as you can see, it came right with a 50% retracement, and then we had this instruction, this candle formation, and then we had a nice sell-off. And so that's how to use the Fibonacci. If you keep scrolling back in time, you find more stories that okay, this is one over here. We had a fall from here, and so if we are to draw from here, measure from here to the bottom, let's measure from there to the bottom. So measuring from here to this lowest point, and we extend right. Okay, and so you see how price went back up right into 78.6, and then fell backward, closed just below the 61.8 retracement, and then sold off before reversing. And so that's how to use the Fibonacci when it has to do with upward trend. You do it reverse. You measure from the bottom to the top, and then you wait for the point of reversals for you to execute the position. Let's check one example of upward movement and see how we can use it in case where trend is upward. So let's check. Let's go back in time and let's go back in. It's one example. Okay, pink. All right. Okay, take for instance, we have a shift in market structure here, and let's say we expect that market would reverse a bit. We don't want to enter at the closure of this candle. We want market to reverse a bit before we enter, and so let's check what the level is using the Fibonacci tool. We'll pick the Fibonacci, and then we'll measure from the bottom now to the top, this time around to the high here, and then we extend right. Okay, you see that we had a nice reversal. The market came right into the 50% retracement and then reversed and then went bullish, and so before eventually collapsing. And so in the case of upward movement or a bullish trend, that's how to use the Fibonacci retracement. I'll be bringing in more videos on how I do my analysis structures. I don't really use I don't use technical indicators. As you can see, my chart is plain. I'll bring in more videos explaining how I look at the market from a structural point of view.
That's how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. I have a fast growing Telegram channel. For those who like to join our Telegram channel, I share trade setups there and signals sometimes. The link will be in the description below, and please, you can leave a comment. You can leave hit the like button if you like what I'm doing, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button to help the channel grow. And you also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video.